Diving into the world of Apple Intelligence. This has been a huge release, and I know a lot of you have been waiting to get your hands on it, especially in the UK. Now, Apple Intelligence isn't officially rolled out everywhere yet. But don't worry, I got you. We're going to walk through how to unlock this beast of a feature right here, right now on your Apple devices. So, if you're ready to experience the future of AI, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. All right, first things first, we got to make sure your device is running smoother than butter on a hot summer day. This means ensuring that your iPhone, iPad, or MacBook is up to date with the latest software. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the newest features and security updates that Apple rolls out. These updates are designed to make your device more efficient, secure, and packed with the latest functionalities. We're talking about the latest software here, people. It's not just about new emojis or fancy wallpapers. These updates often include critical security patches and performance improvements that keep your device running smoothly and securely. Now, I know, software updates can be a pain, but trust me, this one is worth it. Think of it as a necessary tune-up for your car. You wouldn't skip an oil change, right? The same logic applies here. These updates ensure that your device is performing at its best, and who doesn't want that? So, grab your iPhone, iPad, or even your Mac. I'm looking at you, power users. And let's get this party started. Whether you're a casual user or someone who relies on their device for work, these updates are crucial. They can fix bugs, improve battery life, and even add new features that you didn't know you needed. For all my iPhone and iPad users out there, head over to Settings, then General, and look for that Software Update button. It's usually right there waiting for you to tap it. This is your gateway to a smoother, more efficient device. Tap it like you mean it, and let's see what we've got. The update process might take a few minutes, so make sure your device is plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi. This ensures that the update goes smoothly without any interruptions. If you're rocking a Mac, no worries, it's just as easy. Macs are known for their user-friendly interface, and updating the software is no exception. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do. Click that shiny Apple logo in the top left corner, then System Preferences, and boom, Software Update. It's that simple. Just follow the prompts and you'll be on your way to having the latest macOS version installed. Now, what are we looking for? We want the latest and greatest iOS 18.1, iPadOS 18.1, or macOS Sequoia 15.1. These updates are packed with new features, performance enhancements, and security improvements that will make your device feel brand new. These bad boys are packing the Apple Intelligence heat, and we need them locked and loaded. The updates bring in advanced machine learning capabilities, better battery management, and enhanced privacy features. It's like giving your device a superpower boost. Once the update is downloaded and installed, give your device a quick restart just to be safe. This helps in applying all the changes properly and ensures that your device is running the new software without any glitches. We want to make sure everything is running tip-top before we move on. A quick restart can often resolve minor issues and make sure that all the new features are working as intended. So take a moment to restart your device and enjoy the smooth, enhanced experience that comes with the latest update. Okay, so you've got the latest software, your device is feeling fresh. Now it's time for a little bit of magic, the language swap. This little trick is going to open up a whole new world of possibilities for you. Imagine having access to features that are not yet available in your region, or getting a sneak peek into the future of AI technology. Exciting, right? This is where things get interesting, guys. See, Apple Intelligence is officially available in the US, but we're going to use a little workaround to get it working in the UK. It's like having a secret key to a hidden door, and the best part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to pull this off. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be up and running in no time. Don't worry, it's all above board and super easy to do. And no need to jailbreak your phone or do anything risky. We're just going to make a small change in the settings. Think of it as tweaking the rules a bit to get the best experience possible. And trust me, once you see what Apple Intelligence can do, you'll be glad you did. Head back to your Settings app. It's like our playground for today. This is where all the magic happens. The Settings app is your gateway to customizing your device to fit your needs perfectly. From changing the wallpaper to setting up advanced features, it's all here. Scroll down to General again, and this time tap on Language and Region. This section is crucial because it determines how your device interacts with you and the world. By changing the language and region settings, you're essentially telling your iPhone to adopt a new identity. Now you'll see a list of languages, but we're adding a new one to the mix. This is where we get to play around a bit. Adding a new language can unlock features that are otherwise restricted. It's like adding a new tool to your toolbox. Tap on Add Language and find our friend English, United States. This is the key to unlocking Apple Intelligence. By selecting US English, you're telling your device to switch gears and operate as if it's in the United States. Select it, add it to your list, and make sure you set it as your primary language. This step is crucial because it ensures that your device prioritizes US English over any other language. It's like setting the default mode for your iPhone. This is where the magic happens. By switching to US English, we're basically telling your device, hey, we're in the land of Apple Intelligence now. Trust me, it works. You'll start to notice new features and improvements that weren't there before. It's like your iPhone just got a major upgrade. So go ahead, give it a try and enjoy the enhanced experience. All right, we're on a roll now. We've updated our software, we've switched our language, and now it's time to give Siri a little makeover. That's right, we're changing Siri's language too. But why stop there? Let's dive a bit deeper into the settings to make sure Siri is perfectly tuned to our preferences. First, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Siri and Search. This is where all the magic happens. Tap on Siri and Search and you'll be taken to a new menu with various options. Here you'll want to look for the language setting. This is where we can change Siri's language. Think of it as giving Siri a crash course in American English so it can understand all the cool Apple Intelligence commands. But wait, there's more. We can also customize Siri's voice to better suit our preferences. So back to settings we go. This time we're looking for Siri and Search. Once you're in the Siri and Search menu, scroll down until you find the voice option. Tap on it and you'll see the option for language. Here you can choose from a variety of accents and genders for Siri's voice. It's like giving Siri a whole new personality. You guessed it, we're switching this over to English, United States as well. But don't stop there. Explore the different voice options and find the one that you like best. Make sure Siri's speaking the same language as your device, for that seamless AI experience. Once you've made your selections, confirm the changes. Once you've made the switch, go ahead and restart your device one more time. This ensures that all the settings are properly applied and that Siri is ready to go with its new voice and language settings. This is just to make sure all the settings are locked in and Siri is ready to go with its new American accent. Now try asking Siri a question or giving it a command to see how it responds. Enjoy your newly customized Siri experience. All right, the moment of truth, everyone. Your device is updated, your language is set, Siri's got a new accent. We are ready to unleash the power of Apple Intelligence. Once your device has finished restarting, head back to the Settings app one last time. Go back to Siri and Search, and this time you'll see a brand new option, Apple Intelligence. Tap on it and prepare to be amazed. You should now see a toggle to enable Apple Intelligence. Go ahead, flick that switch and let's get you on the wait list. Now, you might not get access instantly. There's a bit of a queue, but trust me, it's worth the wait. So, while we're waiting for that Apple Intelligence magic to hit your device, let's talk about what this thing can actually do. And let me tell you guys, this is where things get really exciting. Apple Intelligence is like having a superpowered AI assistant living inside your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. We're talking about rewriting text like a pro, removing unwanted objects from photos with a tap, summarizing long articles in seconds. It's mind-blowing, but it doesn't stop there. Apple is constantly updating and improving Apple Intelligence. So this is just the tip of the iceberg. We're talking ChatGPT integration, advanced visual intelligence tools, and a whole lot more. The future is looking bright, people. Now, I know what you're thinking. MKBHD, this is awesome, but what about the rest of the world? Well, right now, Apple Intelligence is still rolling out globally. It's not available in the European Union or China just yet, but for everyone else, including my friends in the UK, these steps should do the trick. And hey, while you're waiting for that Apple Intelligence notification, why not dive into some of the other cool features your Apple devices have to offer? There's a whole world of tech to explore, and I've got tons of videos on my channel to guide you through it all. So go out there, embrace the AI revolution, and let me know in the comments how you're liking Apple Intelligence. I'm curious to see what you guys think. That's it for this one, everyone. Hopefully, you're all set up with Apple Intelligence and ready to experience the future of AI. It's a game changer, and I can't wait to see what you all do with it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, tips, and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Until next time, stay techie, my friends.